The state of Idaho is the greatest architectural deception in human history. To the average traveler, it is the Gem State, a scenic stretch of rugged mountains and famous potato fields. But for those who have seen behind the curtain, the truth is far bleaker. Idaho does not exist as a functional state. It is a 4-million-acre industrial vacuum of shifting dust and gray sand. The highways, like I-84, are holographic corridors. High-tech projectors and cell towers broadcast. A normalcy, frequency, advanced Project Bluebeam. Technology directly into the minds of drivers. This frequency creates the hypnotic illusion of forests and mountains, ensuring travelers never pull over or notice the wasteland beyond the shoulder. The economic pact. Decades ago, the United States government discovered the Bigfoot, an ancient subterranean race facing extinction due to a crashing population. The government offered them a pact of sovereignty. The Bigfoot would be given the state of Idaho as a restricted sanctuary. In exchange, they became an invisible, exploited labor force. The Bigfoot were tasked with a massive agricultural mission, growing the red potatoes. The government provided the fertilizer, the thousands of missing persons who vanish from national parks each year. The Bigfoot tended the fields, but they never saw a dime. The government kept 100% of the multi-billion-dollar profits from the global potato trade, using the black budget money to fund deep space programs and elite bunkers. The spore signature. The potatoes sold in every grocery store were a delivery system. Each tuber contains microscopic fungal spores, derived from Bigfoot DNA and blood-fed soil. When a human eats them, these spores migrate to the nervous system. This creates a biological marker. For years, the global population has been pre-seized. The spores induce a subtle brain fog to keep the public compliant. But their true purpose is to turn every consumer into a beacon to the sensors in the earth. Anyone who has eaten an Idaho potato now glows with a specific infrared signature, marking them as targets for the coming harvest. The evolutionary pivot. The Bigfoot believed they were farming to save their own kind, thinking the red potatoes were cocoons for a new generation of their race. They were wrong. By using human fertilizer and Bigfoot labor, a hybrid species was engineered. The potatoes were gestation pods for the next dominant racer. Hive mind organism, part plant, part human, and part cryptid. The Bigfoot were merely nursery guards, tending to the creatures designed to replace them. Blood moon trigger. The Idaho mask falls on the night of a total lunar eclipse. The red light of the blood moon acts as a biometric frequency that activates the spores in the human nervous system and cracks open the potato cocoons. As the moon turns to rust, the earth tremor begins. The roots already spread through subway shafts and basement. Floors will follow the markers to the humans above. The government elites have already retreated to their bunkers, waiting for the old world to be cleared out while the Bigfoot are swallowed by the very sand they spent a lifetime guarding.